Today we're going to be talking about something that often gets overlooked but is absolutely crucial, and that is keeping your disc brakes clean. Dirty brakes can mean poor stopping power, squealing noises, and wearing out your rotors and pads way faster than necessary. After some time of using your Rambo bike, you might start to notice a little rough, or at least the brakes are not as smooth as they used to be. There's actually several different ways and several different components that you can clean for your brakes, but today we're just going to focus on the rotors. There are a few different ways in which you can start. One way is to turn the bike upside down, or to remove the wheel off, or to remove the disc brakes off completely. Whichever way works best for you. The big thing that you're going to need is isopropyl alcohol, at least 70% but ideally 90% or higher, and a clean lint-free cloth or paper towel. You'll want to use something that's not going to scratch up your disc brakes. You can either spray or dampen the alcohol directly onto the cloth. If you're using a spray, be sure to try your best to not spray all over the bike. You can then wipe down both sides of the rotor thoroughly, spinning the wheel, that way you get full coverage. Or you can even lightly scrub with a clean Scotch-Brite pad. But once again, avoid anything too abrasive. Once the rotors are clean, you can lightly wipe down the brake pads as well with the same alcoholic rag. If they're heavily contaminated or glossed over, you might need to sand them down lightly or replace them. Once you're finished, let everything air dry completely before reassembling. Alcohol evaporates fast, but you want zero residue. Once it's all assembled, a couple things to keep in mind to make sure your brakes are in tip-top shape is to avoid touching the rotors with your bare hands and clean them regularly, especially after muddy rides or you hear some squeaking. You can also be sure to keep your bike stored away in a safe place where it's not going to be susceptible to the elements. Clean brakes mean better control, safer rides, and longer lasting parts. Following these steps will make it a lot easier, less stressful, and keep you from having to replace parts more often.